The coconut oil ensures this chocolate shell gets that perfect snap. Listen to this.
First, measure your grounds. Pour the hot water slowly over the coffee, letting it bloom. Then, just pour it into your favorite mug.
This is not just a biscuit cake. This is a power dessert. I crushed all the Oreo biscuits by hand. Add 1 cup ghee, added milk, and mixed it into a smooth batter. Then added some condensed milk for that rich sweetness. A little heat to make sure it cooks perfectly. Poured it into a bowl and microwaved it till soft and fluffy. And the best part, 1 big spoon of avocado ice cream on top. 1 bite and you'll forget every cake you've ever had. Thank you for watching. You won't believe this healthy sweet. This laddu is pure energy bomb secret healthy laddu recipe. Revealed, heat a pan and add some ghee. Add vermicelli and dry fruits. Roast them nicely until golden. Let it cool down completely. Transfer to a mixer jar. Grind into a fine powder. Add 1 cup sugar. Grind again until well combined. Keep this powder aside. Take 2 beetroot pieces. Grate them nicely. Place in a cloth and squeeze out the juice. Keep the fresh beetroot juice aside. Now take a bowl. Add the prepared vermicelli dry fruit powder. Pour in the beetroot juice. Mix everything well. Shape into small laddus. Coat with cashew and almond pieces. Garnish beautifully. Healthy and tasty laddus are ready. Eat healthy food and stay happy. Thank you for watching video. Craving something sweet in 3 minutes? Try this quick sweet vermicelli. First, heat a pan. Add a little ghee. Roast all the dry fruits until they turn light golden. Take them out and keep aside. Now in the same pan, add vermicelli. Roast it nicely in ghee until it becomes aromatic. Then add sugar and half a cup of water. Cook it well until the vermicelli turns soft. Now add the roasted dry fruits. Mix everything together. Finally, add cardamom powder. Give it a good mix, and your delicious sweet vermicelli is ready to serve. Enjoy this delicious sweet vermicelli with your family. Save this recipe, and don't forget to follow for more tasty ideas. Like, share, and follow for more quick recipes. You won't believe how easy this pav bhaji is. First, chop all the vegetables and keep them ready. Now add some peas and all the veggies into a pan. Cook them well until they become soft. Mash everything nicely. Add a little more peas and mash again. Now add pav bhaji masala. Mix it well and cook for a few minutes. Mash again until smooth and flavorful. Add fresh coriander leaves on top. In another pan, toast the pav with butter. Ending line. Hot and yummy pav bhaji is ready to serve. This pav bhaji is so tasty. You'll want it every single day. Yummy, buttery, spicy, perfect pav bhaji. You won't believe this bread is made from cucumber. First, I took 1 cup of flour in a bowl. Then I added a small amount of yeast. Next, I grated 1 fresh cucumber and added it to the mixture. I mixed everything well and kneaded it into a soft dough. Then I covered it and let it rest for 2 hours. After 2 hours, the dough was perfectly risen. I transferred it into a bread mold, then baked it in the microwave for 25 minutes. And my healthy, soft cucumber bread is ready. Try this easy recipe at home. Super healthy and quick moringa leaves fry. Let's make it. First, clean and wash fresh moringa leaves properly. Remove the leaves from the stems. Heat a pan and add a little oil. Add chopped garlic and onions. Sauté till golden. Add a pinch of cumin seeds for extra flavor. Now add the moringa leaves. Cook and fry for a few minutes until soft. That's it. Enjoy with roti or rice. Healthy, simple, and full of power. Try it today. Eat healthy food, stay healthy, and keep smiling. Thanks for watching.
Fat burnin' smoothies: strawberry, mango pineapple, blueberry spinach, carrot ginger, kiwi cucumber,